My favorite place, the bathroom. Another bathroom. And this toilet seat is loose. Look at that. And I thought it needed a new toilet seat. But before I deal with that, I was looking down here. Let me get this set up here. I wanted to show you this really quick. Do you remember what's supposed to happen down here? You've got a toilet bolt and there was a cap on there like that. Well, that cap is supposed to snap on down there. And before I put it on there, I just want to make sure it's tight, and it is tight. And you know, normally I would cut that off with a hacksaw. And I can't find a hacksaw, but I looked in the garage and look what I found. This is a long Sawzall blade, and it's got the same teeth as a hacksaw blade. So I'm going to take that and cut that off. But you know, I better go get my gloves for this. Be right back. I'm going to get my gloves on here real quick, and I'm just going to raise this up a little bit on here above the top of the nut. I don't want to get it too high because this still has to snap on there, right? Okay, so no hacksaw, I'm just going to use this blade. It's like a hacksaw blade. Let's see what happens here. Oh man, this might take me a little bit. But you know what? Sometimes you have to do what you got to do to get something cut. It's going. I couldn't find a hacksaw, and I couldn't find the Sawzall. All I could find was a Sawzall blade. Get that. There it is. Whew. Oh man, that took it all out of me. Okay, now you put this on, and you want to put it on one side and snap over on the other side. Don't try to put it straight over the top. Okay, I've got it pushed on one side. There it is. See, that is snapped right on. And because you were so good with that, I want you to do the other side. Look at the same thing over here. What's up with that? Man, they did everything except cut the bolt off. Okay, so before I put that on, I want to make sure that's tight. I'm going to chop that one off too. You can do it. I know you can.
Your bacon is done.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I'll be right out. Oh yeah. Okay. That snapped on. Got it. By Joe. Whew. Let's see. See there? Snapped it on there. You just want to make sure you got enough room left above the nut and chop it off. The last thing you want is to cut it up too high. I mean, worst case scenario, if you cut it up too high, you put it on there, it doesn't snap on, you gotta do it again. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.